5 important questions from some applications of trigonometry. It means height and distance. Okay, there are 5 questions taken from the chapter height and distance. Okay, then question number 1. An observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 away from the chimney. चिमनी से ऑब्जर्वर कितना है? 28.5 मीटर अवे है और कितनी हाइट है? 1.5 मीटर. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द चिमनी from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? Angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of the chimney. देखिए पहले इसका फिगर बनाएंगे. फिगर कैसे बनता है? This is the chimney. 1.5 meter tall. Then the height of the chimney is at a distance of 28.5 meter. Find the height of the chimney. The angle of elevation from his eyes equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now AB is the height of the boy. CD height of the chimney. Okay. Now 1.5 28.5. Okay. This distance is also equal to the 28.5 meter. Point E. Taking triangle ADE. Okay. Tan 45 degree equal to DE upon AE. Okay. DE upon AE. Tan 45 1. Value of tan 45 is 1. DE find. AE is 28.5. It means क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से कैसे निकलेगा? DE इक्वल टू 28.5 मीटर. नाउ हाइट ऑफ द चिमनी. हाइट ऑफ द चिमनी इज DE प्लस C. C इक्वल टू 1.5 मीटर. ओके. नाउ राइट हाइट ऑफ चिमनी. CD equal to 28.5 plus 1.5. It is equal to the 30 meter. Height of the chimney is 30 meter. Okay. Question number 2. Two men on either side of a 75 meter high building and in line with the base of the building observe the angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the distance between the two men and use root 3 equal to 1.73. Two men on either side of 75 meter tall building. सबसे पहले फिगर बनाएंगे इसका. देखिए this is the base and the 75 meter tall building. Two persons seeing this side. The angle of elevation are 30 degree and 60 degree. This equal to 30 degree and the 60 degree. Find the distance between them. It means find the distance AB. Okay. The building CD. Take AC equal to X and BC equal to Y. This is Y and this is X. Okay. ये 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर देना यहाँ जरूरी है दोनों ट्राइंगल में. तो लिखेंगे इन ट्राइंगल ADC. Tan 60 degree equal to CD upon AC, perpendicular by base. It means tan 60 degree root 3. CD is 75 upon AC. It means X. AC equal to, it means X equal to 75 by root 3. Okay. Now rationalize. Multiply by root 3. Rationalization 75 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into 3 cancel by 3. So we get X equal to 25 root 3 meter. Okay. The unit of this is meter. Now in triangle BCD. Tan 30 degree equal to CD upon BC. CD upon BC. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. CD is 75 and BC equal to Y. Therefore, Y equal to 75 root 3 meter. Okay. Find the distance between them. It means we have to find the distance AB. Then AB equal to X plus Y. It means 25 root 3 plus 75 root 3 equal to 100 root 3 meter. And given the value of root 3 is 1.73. It means 100 into 1.73 equal to 173 meter. Okay. The distance between the two men equal to 173 meter. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, from the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of a top of a cable tower is 60 degree. Elevation is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. सबसे पहले बेस बनाते हैं. फिगर बनाना कंपलसरी होता है. हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस. 7 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग. ओके. एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन एंड डिप्रेशन ऑफ ए टावर. इलेवेशन इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. Angle of elevation equal to 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower from this point equal to 30 degree. Sorry, 45 degree. In the question is given that 60 degree and 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. It means total height of the tower. H. Okay. 7 meter, 90 degree perpendicular. 45 degree, this one also equal to 45. Okay. By the alternate angle. Take the height of the building is AB and height of the tower is CD. And take a point E. ठीक है. अब देखिए एंगल CBE equal to angle BCA. Okay. Alternate angles. Therefore, angle BCA equal to 45 degree. Again, in triangle BABC, tan 45 degree equal to AB upon AC. Tan 45 1, AB 7, AC. Therefore, AC equal to 7 meter. Okay. Now, AB equal to C. AB equal to C equal to 7 meter. In triangle BED, tan 60 degree equal to DE upon BE. DE upon BE. tan 60 degree root 3. D find करना है. BE equal to 7. AC equal to 7. Therefore, BE equal to 7. Just 7. It means DE equal to 7 root 3 meter. And the total height of the tower 7 plus 7 root 3. It means take 7 common. Root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of the tower. Question number 4. Question number 4. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on the either side of a road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the pole and distance of the point from the poles. ये क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी से ही लिया है. बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, हमेशा आता है. टू पोल्स ऑफ इक्वल हाइट. सपोज one pole is here and the another pole is here. Constant दोनों height is equal. Take a point in between them. Suppose point P. Two poles AB and CD. angle of elevation from this point P 60 degree and 30 degree. Suppose this is equal to the 60 degree, this is 30 degree. Okay, AP equal to x, this one equal to 80 minus x. Okay, total distance between them is 80 meter. Write AB equal to CD equal to H, and let AP equal to x, then CP equal to 80 minus x. In triangle 90 degree, कंपल्सरी है ये 90 जरूर बनाना है फिगर में. ABP tan 60 degree, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is AB and the base is AP. Okay, the two poles of equal height standing on the base. So tan 60 degree root 3 H upon x. Okay, H equal to root 3 x. This is the equation 1. Take in this triangle, in triangle PCD, tan 30 degree equal to, perpendicular is CD, base by PC, perpendicular by base, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3, CD equal to H upon 80 minus x. It means H root 3H equal to 80 minus x. Write H equal to root 3x. Root 3 H equal to root 3x equal to 80 minus x. Okay, root 3 into root 3, 3x and plus x equal to 80. It means 4x equal to 80. Now see this. X equal to 80 by 4. It means 20 meter. Yani AP equal to 20 meter and CD equal to 80 minus PC, not the CD. CP कर देते हैं 80 minus 20, 60 meter. And the height of the tower, height of the poles, H equal to root 3x. It means 20 root 3 meter. X equal to 20. Okay. Question number 5. The angle of elevation of a top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building 60 degree. यानी एक के top of the wood this इस तरीके का. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. देखिए, बिल्डिंग छोटी होगी, टावर ऊंची होगी, यह सबको पता है. टावर इज 50 मीटर हाई. ठीक है, बिल्डिंग इज AB, टावर इज CD. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर. अब क्वेश्चन कहता है आपका द एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर इज द 30 डिग्री. एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर इज 30 degree. And the next line is the angle of elevation top of the tower from the foot of the building. This one equal to 60 degree. Okay. Find the height of the building. Find the height of this building. और इस डिस्टेंस को हम लोग क्या ले लेते हैं x, AC को x. देखिए, अब इन ट्राइंगल फर्स्ट ये ट्राइंगल लेंगे क्योंकि हमको 50 पता है. तो ACD tan 60 डिग्री इक्वल टू CD अपॉन AC. tan 60 डिग्री रूट 3, CD 50 बाई AC मीन्स x. x इक्वल टू 50 बाई रूट 3. ठीक है, अब हमको निकालना है ये h. तो अब यहां पर पुट करेंगे इन ट्राइंगल ABC tan 30 डिग्री इक्वल टू AB upon AC. Okay, 30 degree 1 by root 3. AB equal to H upon AC equal to X. It means H equal to X upon root 3. Cross multiply X upon root 3. Put the value of X equal to 50 by root 3. It means 50 by root 3 divided by root 3. It is equal to the 50 by 3. It means 16 whole 2 by 3 meter. This is the height of the building. This one. ठीक है, ये 5 क्वेश्चन बनाने से थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आपको हो जाएगा.